Humility is the quality of having a modest view of one's importance. It involves recognizing and accepting one's limitations and imperfections, valuing others' strengths and contributions, and being open to new ideas and feedback. Humility is not about thinking less of yourself, but rather thinking of yourself less. Here are some ways to identify someone with humility. 1. Acknowledges limitations. They openly admit their mistakes and are aware of their weaknesses. 2. Appreciates others. They recognize and value the contributions and strengths of others. They prioritize learning and personal development over seeking personal glory. It's all about growing and evolving, rather than just chasing accolades. Listens actively. They listen more than they speak and value others' opinions. Acts with service. They approach situations with a mindset of service rather than dominance. Humility can greatly enhance social cohesion and personal well-being by fostering a sense of belonging and empathy towards others. Do you know someone who embodies these traits?